Hi guys, it's Heather. Happy New Year! We are now in 2026. No better way to start it than doing an unboxing. And we're not just unboxing anything. We got LABUBUS. We finally got our hands on some. These are legit straight from a Pop Mart store. So you know that they're real. I'm so excited. I couldn't even dream about it because it was just so out of reach for a little bit. It felt like Pokemon. I don't know. Are people scalping it? You can't get it online. You can't get it in stores. I went to 2 stores in Japan. We made a whole video about it if you guys want to check it out. And they were sold out, or you needed a raffle ticket to get in to the store. You can't even step into the store. You can look at the store, but you need a raffle ticket to get in. My collection was almost incomplete without them. But I went to Orlando, Florida not too long ago, and guess what? That Pop Mart had a Labubu. They actually had a lot of Labubus. They were all behind the cashier, obviously, but they actually had a full stock. And that was the first time I've ever seen them in a box that is real. In person. Let me show you what we have. I tried to get the ones that I liked, but I also felt these were really popular in the whole Labubu world. We got exciting macarons, right? Yeah, exciting macarons. We also got big into energy. And then just for funsies, we got a mini Labubu, which I'm super excited for this one. Part of me actually regrets not getting the other one. They have a blue one and then this yellow one. It just is different options that you can get. And I'm kind of sad I just got one, but it's whatever, it's fine. I don't know when I'll run into Labubu again, but it's fine. I felt this was a good way for us to start the year, especially if we end up getting a secret. Just imagine if we got a secret. That'd be kind of good. That's gonna add on so much to our aura, our vibes for the rest of the year. We're gonna start the year strong, you know? Okay, which one should we open first? There's a part of me that wants to just keep everything sealed all the time. I'm just it's not even about the value or anything. The boxing is so cute, and maybe it is the value. Maybe it's the rarity, and once I'm open and done, the dopamine is gone, you know? So, but it's okay. It's for the vid. It's for the vibes. We got this. Shall we start with exciting macarons? Should I give you guys a little... I don't know what that's supposed to do. And I can't really tell with weight. Apparently, the secret weighs something specific compared to the other ones. I don't know. We're just gonna jump in. Here's the options. I honestly really like these top 3 and this blue one. I don't know how I feel about these 2, but it's okay. I think I'll like any of them. Yes. Okay, apparently, you're not supposed to look in the box. Otherwise, it will ruin the surprise. Oh my god, I can't believe it's actually happening. Okay. Dun 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 dun. Oh, okay. We got, I honestly don't know what we got. Let's see. We got sesame bean. Not my favorite, but it's okay. It's still cute. It's gray, you know? It's chic, it's folk. So I've only really seen LABUBUS. I've never seen, this is the first time I think I'm holding a real Labubu. The head does not completely spin, it turns, but only ever so slightly. On the LABUBUS, you can do a whole 360. This looks like how it looks on the LABUBUS. I don't know. Is there anything special? No. This apparently is what tells you if it's real or not. I actually hate these kind of tags. I hate that they just stick out from the thing like that. Ugh, it makes me want to just rip it off. But I know if you take it off, then people are gonna think it's a LABUBU. So whatever, we're gonna leave it. That's the first one. How do we feel? I feel okay. I'm kind of bummed it wasn't a secret. I want to open this one, but let's open the pin for love. Let's do the small one just for fun. Here's the options. I like pink and blue. Let's just say that. And there's a lot of pink and blue options, honestly. So Let's go. Is there a secret for this one too? Oh, there is a secret. Dun, dun. I like how they all come in like this little cute pouch. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, yellow. Oh, this one's actually kind of ugly, I'm not gonna lie. Same kind of thing. This one, I'm not gonna lie, this looks kind of LABUBUS, but I know it's real. I know it's legit because it's from Pop Mart, but very interesting. It's F. I didn't realize that it would actually have like the letter at the bottom of it too, but F is a sticker as well. And I accidentally kind of peeled it, but it's cool that this one's a sticker. It's sad that it's just F. Oh, F for future. Oh well, it's okay, it's okay. Literally so many other options, but I get my least favorite color. Ugh. But it's okay. Maybe I'll wear this one around, like on my clothes or whatever. You know, like get one of these in there. And like if it gets dirty, then whatever. Okay, moment of truth. Big, big, big energy. Let's go. Oh, let me show you guys the options. I fuck with all of them. There's none that I like really don't love. Ooh, rough opening on this one. Oh, there we go. They even like got like a little string, I guess, for you to pull it. Ooh, big energy. Okay. Ooh, it's tied. Why are the other ones not tied? Interesting. I think this one's the cutest bag because it's got like the rainbow, this whole thing. Okay. Dun dun. Oh. It's obviously not the secret. It's loyalty. But oh my god! I wanted a pink LABUBUS so bad. Oh, even look at the eyes. Oh, they like shimmer. You see that? This one's officially my fave. Holy shit. Imagine it like on the pants. You guys see that? I can also like throw it on my bag or whatever. I just love it. I feel like this is a win, even though we didn't get a secret. Here's this card. We actually did not get loyalty. We got love, okay? That's so, I feel like that's perfect. I love love. I love love. Honestly, loyalty is chill too. Like, I'm a loyal bitch, but I love love. It's just so me. It's just so me. These are our 3 new friends. I like that this one, it's kind of like a Sherpa, and this one's like fur. So they are like different textures. You guys see that? And I do like the texture of this one. I just don't love this one. This one's the same texture as the big energy one. I just think this one's like the biggest bog. And like, this one's like $22 and this one's like $27. Like, I would just, honestly guys, pay the extra $5 and go with the big one. Unless you want a small one. But yeah, great way for us to start the year. With some sesame bean, loyalty, and F. Alrighty, and that is all the LABUBUS we have to open today. I hope you guys had fun. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Can we flex just the man of 4 seasons? Baby girl, wet for me, I was in the deep end. Can we flex just the man of 4 seasons? Baby girl, wet for me, I was in the deep end.